All right, welcome to the class. We're just waiting in a bit. Hello, Terrence. All right, hey y'all, Stephanie, Michael, and Tasia. I hope I said your name correctly. Alrighty then. All right, mean, median, and mode. That's what we'll be looking at. All right. All right. Let's first thing first. Mean. Mean is another word for that is average. So if I give you a set of numbers, let's say 30, 31, 32, 44, what's the mean? Mean would be I add all the numbers and I divide it by how many numbers I have here, which is 4. And what's the average for this? That would be 34.4.25. That's it. That's how you find the average. Have your book open up, or have the digital book open up, because one of the things we'll be looking at is finding the GPA, and once you look at the table, you could find the table super fast. All right. Mode is something, a number that repeats the most. And you can't have two mode. So for example, if I give you this set of numbers, let's see, 93, 97, 68, 58, 79, 78, 94, 38, 58, 57, 58, 38. All right. So for these set of numbers, let's find the mean. All right. And can you figure out the mode for these set of numbers? And then we'll find out the median. Median would be the hardest one. I'll wait for you. I'll wait a bit. All right, let's see. Oh, by the way, I have an update for you guys. If you're NSHE students, where you guys are, you can get vaccine from Walgreens. Those of you who hasn't able to get it. The bad thing about Walgreens is they give only 3 days notice. 3 days availability, so you have to keep on going back and update it. The problem is their website hasn't been updated to show since February 18 any NSHE students could get vaccine. So you just have to click the 70 years and above, and then get the appointment. Once you get the appointment, then just go there and show the Southern Nevada Health District a new policy, and they should be able to give you that vaccine. So that's one option. There is also UMC and all that, but I was able to take the vaccine last week because of that. That might help you guys out. Okay, anybody got answers yet? Any question about the vaccine yet? No question for the vaccine yet? Alrighty then. Alright, let's find the average for these set of numbers. 93. Oh, someone is already the Sebastian. I haven't done the problem yet. That is correct. It is 68. Did you guys hear the sound of me pouring soda in? Does it sound like one of those commercial? Can you hear the sizzling sound? Ooh, no, Tasia, that's not right. Make sure there are 12 numbers and you got to divide it by 12. You add them. What's the mode in this case? What number repeats the most? Let's look at it. 1, 2, 3. What about 38? 38 does 1, 2. So therefore my mode is going to be 58. It should be. Mode is 58. Jessica's writing 68 to 58. Okay. All right, good job. Mode is 58. Now, how do we find the median? Median is the easiest one. Did I give you a pop quiz last time? Did I give you guys pop quiz last time? Do you guys watch mukbang video, Sebastian? Was it easy or hard? I don't know. Do you guys watch mukbang video? Where the person eats foods and makes a lot of noise. I'm eating jalapeno chips. It's so good. Tim's Cascade style potato chips. They should pay me for advertising their stuff. All right, anyway. Let's find the median. Median is the middle number. This is the hardest one. This is the hardest number. How... Even though I'm saying finding the middle number, oh, you hate those videos. I'm pretty sure almost all of those mukbang videos of those tiny little Asian girls eating all those food, I guarantee you they all threw a puke all those food out right after eating them. Because there's no way in the heck they could maintain that tiny body without becoming that fat. That's a lot of calorie intake. I'm talking about 10,000 plus calorie intake, and yet they're like barely 100 pounds. All right. So why am I saying this is the hardest number? Here's the reason why. These are my set of numbers, and if I want to find the median, we do not look into the number right away in the middle right away. No. We have to make them in ascending or descending order. First, or again, the numbers in ascending order. You know what? Next semester I should do that. Warn the class of this class involves mukbang videos. All right, so let's Organize the number in ascending and descending. This is going to be the hardest one. Let's look at it. What's the smallest number? 38. When I do it, I want to cross this out. Is there any other small? Oh, there's another 38. What's the next number after 38? Looks like 57. Nope. Next one is 58. Next one would be 68. Next one would be 78. 79. And we have 93. 94 and 97. Good. All right, so let's find the middle number. So you can find the middle number by working from inside and out, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have two middle numbers. So we have two middle numbers. And when we have two middle numbers, what do? We add the two middle number and divide it by 2. So 58 plus 68 divided by 2. Any question? I'm getting 63. If we would have had one less number, then it would have landed on the middle number. So hypothetically speaking, let's say if I didn't have 97, then my middle number would have been 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and that would be the new median. Any question? Now, next question would be frequency table. All right, let's go to the problem 13. Everyone open up, go to problem 13. Oh, this Diet Coke tastes so good. Y'all got vaccine yet? Or are you guys still waiting for getting vaccine? You should be able to sign up by now. By April, everybody should have that and everything should open up. Wow, you have that good genetics. You automatically cure it. Angela, just go to Walgreens, try to sign up through that. All right, let's do number 13. You guys have that open? All right. So now the question is asking you find the mean, median, mode. So this problem can be tricky. How do you find the average given the table? You have the table what? Number of students. You have 4, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1. These are the number of students. This is miles. You have 2 miles, 5, 8, 12, 15, 20, 30. Oops. You have trust issues with the government. Well, Nevada is one of those states. We have a lot of libertarians over here, so I see people don't trust the government. I think the government is it's one of the better ones out there. Just go travel the world and see how the governments of other countries are. Just go to Mexico and compare us to them. The government over there versus us. So this Diet Coke tastes so good. All right, kids. So you have 4 students travel 2 miles, 8 students travel 5 miles. So how do you find the average? What you have to do is, what does this mean? That means that you have 4 students that travel 2 miles. You have 8 students travel 5 miles. Do you see how I'm writing out all the numbers right now? And what I have to do is add all these numbers, then divided by how many number of students out there. I have 29 students. So I have to add all the numbers and get all the numbers and then divide it by 29. Or another way of doing that problem would be 4 times 2 plus 8 times 5 plus 5 times 8 plus 6 times 12 plus 3 times 15 plus 2 times 20 plus 1 times 30. Then I divide all that number by 29. All right, let me do that in my calculator. Times 2 plus 8 times 5 plus times 8 plus 6 times 12. 3 times 15 2 times 20 plus 30 divided by 29. Nearest to 10th place. So that would be 9.5 miles. Let me see if you all got that. I'll wait a bit. to the 10th place. This jalapeno chip's so good. Good. All right. Now let's find the median. All right. Again, to find the median number, you have to list all these numbers, and all the way it ends at what? 30, right? And then 20, 20, and so on. That's a lot of work. But what I can do is, since I know 29, what's the middle number between 1 and 29? List them out. These are the numbers: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I gotta do all of that. 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So if I do that, I have a feeling if I cross out like this way, this is the middle number we're going to get. Here's another way how to get the middle number. You add the last two numbers, 29 and 1, and divide it by 2. And that should give you a middle number. But let's make sure I got that right. Okay. 3. Wow, look at that. So my median is 15. What about the mode? What number repeats the most? Right there. I look at number of students that is the most, which is 8. So 5 repeats the most. So my mode is going to be 5. All right. Any question? Read the question, and it's asking, gives the distance in miles students, blah, blah, blah. Use the information to find median mode of the data. That means we want to know what's the average miles students walk to the school. We're not asking about what's the average number of students. So Average number of students doesn't even make sense. We're asking about what's the average mile students walks to the campus. Then we ask what's the median for the oh, sorry. Oh, good question. Oh, 15th student will be the median number. Oh, good catch. So I gotta go back this way to figure out the 15th student. I apologize. Good catch. So that's 4, that's 12, plus 5, 17. Ooh, right over here. That's gonna be my median. Good catch. Median is gonna be 8, mode is gonna be 5. I used that number 15 to figure out what's the median number will lie. So we're looking at the 15th student and what is that mile that person walking. And then that means 8 miles. Good catch, Stephanie. I'll wait for it a bit for you guys to sort it out. All right. Now let's look at a problem how to find GPA. For that, I want you to go to the page 115 and we're going to use the table to find the GPA. How to find a GPA. How to find oh, it's not the GPA. How to find GPA. Yes, the median is 8. 15th student gives us the median mile, which is 8 miles. All right, go to page 115. Look for the table. All right. So now let's look at an example problem. Let's do a hard one right away. Let's do number 17. All right, so let's look at number 17. Student earned C plus on a 3 credit class. And then B in 3 credit class again. I'm just summarizing it. And C in 4 credit class. And A in 1 credit class. So what's the GPA? What is What is his GPA? All right, let's look at it. So the way we go about doing that is figure out what's the total credit. Total credit is $11. Now total credit is 11. Let's find the GPA. So remember the table I told you to look at? C plus is 2.3. So I look at 2.3 times 3 plus B is 3, right? 3.0. Yeah. 3.0 times 3 credit plus C is 2.0. 2.0 times 4 credit plus A is 4.0 times 1 credit divided by 11. Let's figure out the GPA. 2.3 times 3 plus 3 times 3 plus 2 times 4 plus 4. 11. Nearest 1,000th place, which would be so it would be 2.536536, so on. So if I'm rounding to the 1,000th place, it would be 2.537. That's the GPA. All right, any question? I'm gonna wait a bit. I've updated the due dates for the quizzes. Maybe I'll give you a pop quiz on the next class. No question yet? All right, I'm gonna end my lecture. I'll be here to answer your question. All right, no question. I'm gonna end my lecture. I've updated